Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm at Apex 2018 and I'm joined by Lewis from Repstronics. Thanks for stopping by. Good to talk to you. Mexico seems to be moving really positively at the moment. Lots of expansion in terms of capacity, but also in capability, moving higher and higher up the technology roadmap. What kind of demands does that make on an agency like Repstronics?
Oh, it's getting every time more challengeable. So at this point, so we are really proud to say, as you said, so we are continuous growing in a very good path. So moving industries from other locations to Mexico, like automotive, industrial, telecommunications. So I think it's a really good advance in terms of technology increments.
Yeah, and you're based down in Guadalajara, and I've spent some time in Guadalajara. So much going on in that area, so much innovation, but so much manufacturing. So more and more requirements for capacity and also better use of that capacity.
Capacity has been demanded, so every time more and more, so because of the quality of our products, right? So Guadalajara has been identified or has been recognized as one of the more capable places for manufacturing because of their people. So really good universities, preparation, so a lot of experience. So it has been the core of the Silicon Valley in that region. So that's why the capacity has been really key over there.
Yeah, some great talent there and some great people and some real ingenuity. Repstronics represents a number of companies. You have quite a few of your principals here. Just talk me through your portfolio of products.
So talking about the brands that we typically represent, so we have brands like Panasonic, Koyong, Polo Seiko, RAM, Accus, Sloniger. So I would say the most recognized brands in order to manufacturing electronics, right?
Yeah, and some of the market leaders. And interestingly, as we see companies look for more connected solutions of the different machines working together, they come to companies like you to help them to integrate.
Yeah, in fact, nowadays I think everybody have heard about Industry 4.0. So as part of the new challenges, Repstronics is really committed to continue promoting this type of industry where all the brands have closed loop feedbacks. So in order to get connections between several machine types, I mean, most of the brands that I just described have been working together, making really good partnerships in order to create and innovate so new solutions for our customers. So technology is moving forward, and that is why Industry 4.0 is getting one of the most important things since today and for a very long period of years, I think so.
Yeah, I think that's going to be really exciting for you, and you're in a great position to help people put all those machines together. Lewis, thanks for stopping by, thanks for talking to me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.